this is the salad I use. This is my go-to salad when I'm detoxing my body and I'm doing all fruit and I just need that salad at night. This is the salad I make, and with this dressing, I've been eating this like crazy for the past couple weeks. It's just really, really good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. And normally, like this whole tub I could eat by myself. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plate it. And I like to add some strawberries to my salad. And I try to like eat things that are in season right now. I did get these at Costco and they are organic. All my lettuce, all my salad, the whole thing is organic. I make sure of that. And I found some organic pear, so I'm gonna add that to my salad. And this is where, when I'm detoxing, that's it. That's all I add to my salad, and then I put my dressing on it. Now, when I'm doing more of clean eating, this is what I keep adding. So I'll add maybe an avocado. I can even, or I cut up dates and I've added that to my salad, which is really yummy. So my husband likes this on his salad, and it really does give it a good flavor. And what it is it's cashews, and I put about half a cup of cashews, raw cashews, in my coffee grinder, and it makes a powder. And then I add about a half a teaspoon of onion powder and some sea salt to taste. And it tastes like Parmesan cheese. It is so good. So that tastes really good on this salad. And so I'll just sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And another thing I like to add is some walnuts or pecans. And I found these. These are organic, of course. And I'm just gonna add a couple of pecans on there. But look how beautiful that looks. It looks like something you'd get in a restaurant, right? And actually, when we do go to restaurants, and depending on where we go, a lot of the times I actually bring my own food, and this is one of the items that I do bring. I always bring a salad, and so this is my go-to salad. I can't get enough of this, and the dressing really just makes it. It's I guess I would call it a lemon garlic dressing. It's so good, and it's such a great summer dressing, I think, and it goes really well with the fruit. So I just drizzle just a little bit of that, and I normally don't use all this dressing. I just put it in the fridge and save it for my next salad, because it does taste good when you let it sit, and all the flavors from the garlic and just the flavors that just infuse with each other. And so that's it. And then I will top it with some black pepper. And that is my restaurant style salad. I mean, come on, look at that. That is so good and so good for you. Your cells will be happy when you eat stuff like this. Okay, so that's it. And I will see you guys on the next video. Take care, bye.